Ever imagined a home on wheels that feels like a luxury mansion, but stacked across 2 full levels? Meet the Toyota double-decker motorhome camper truck, a breathtaking masterpiece priced around $2. $5 million, designed to redefine what luxury travel truly means. Welcome back to Flair, where we explore the world's most stunning, futuristic, and luxurious motorhomes. Today, we're stepping inside Toyota's ultimate innovation, a double-decker camper that combines bold engineering with 5-star comfort. From the outside, this beast demands attention. Built on Toyota's heavy-duty truck chassis, the double-decker structure rises with sleek aerodynamic lines, chrome accents, and a commanding stance that looks more like a private jet on wheels. Its tinted panoramic windows wrap around both levels, offering a full 360-degree view of the world as you travel. The LED light strip runs across the front, giving it a futuristic glow even at night. Step inside, and the living area immediately takes your breath away. Plush leather recliners, an electric fireplace, and a retractable 60-inch smart TV make it feel like a luxury apartment. The large panoramic windows flood the interior with light, while the ambient LED lighting sets the perfect mood after sunset. There's even a small balcony deck that extends out from the side, perfect for sipping coffee with a mountain view. The kitchen is fully equipped like a modern home. You'll find a dual-burner induction stove, microwave oven, refrigerator, and even a dishwasher. The marble-style countertop and gold-accented faucets scream sophistication, while smart storage cabinets keep everything neatly organized. Next to the kitchen, the bathroom is pure luxury, featuring a rainfall shower, heated floors, a smart toilet, and a vanity mirror with integrated lighting. The use of glass, metal, and polished wood creates a spa-like environment. There's even an automatic temperature control system for added comfort. Climb the illuminated staircase to the upper deck, and you'll find the main bedroom suite, complete with a king-size bed, built-in wardrobes, and skylight windows that open for stargazing. There's also a secondary lounge upstairs for guests, along with additional sleeping pods that make it perfect for family trips. In the driver's cabin, Toyota brings its most advanced safety technology. The digital cockpit features a large touchscreen display with navigation, lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and emergency braking systems. The captain chairs are fully adjustable, heated, and ventilated for long drives. And with Toyota's automatic stability control and advanced camera system, handling this double-decker giant feels surprisingly easy. Powering it all is a robust hybrid engine, delivering smooth performance with excellent efficiency for a motorhome of its size. The suspension is air-based, giving you a cloud-like ride even on uneven terrain. Solar panels on the roof help charge the internal battery system, ensuring you stay off-grid comfortably. From the design to the technology, every inch of the Toyota double-decker motorhome camper truck reflects Toyota's commitment to perfection. It's more than just a vehicle. It's a luxury resort on wheels built for those who crave adventure without compromising comfort. So, what do you think? Would you take this Toyota double-decker masterpiece for a road trip around the world? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Flair for more incredible motorhome creations and futuristic vehicle tours.